in this video we're going to take a look at the CodeHS Sandbox. The CodeHS Sandbox environment is a great place for students and teachers to create their own projects. It's kind of a free-form environment where a student could go in and they could utilize code in different languages to create different programs. Teachers can also utilize this sandbox area as well. Each user also has a special homepage URL tied to their account. And so as a user, I could go in and I could actually build out a web page, and then I have a designated URL that I can show that to other people and they can go view what I'm building. The sandbox area is also another great place that teachers can have students working on kind of extracurricular type coding activities and big projects. So a lot of teachers at the end of the year like to have their students who have built something that they can showcase to administration or their parents or what may be. And this is a great area to do that. So let's take a look at what the sandbox is and how you utilize it. To access the sandbox, up in the top left corner, you'll click this sandbox button. You're then populated to this page. If I wanted to edit my own web page, I could click this button here. For this example, we're going to show you how to just create a new sandbox program. To do that, we're just going to give it a name here. I can then select the programming language that I want to use. So students could utilize Carol if they want to, and they could make a program for Carol the dog. We also have several other programming languages that the students can utilize here in their sandbox. For this example, we'll use HTML, and then I click Create Program, which populates me into the CodeHS editor page. This is the page that everyone's already familiar with by working within the site. So right here, I can write my code. I've already gone ahead and copied some code in HTML, so I'll just paste that in. On the right, I can run the code. I can also pop that code out into a new window. So I've just gone ahead and copied some code from the CodeHS website, and you'll see it works, it displays, it renders right here just like it should. Going back, if I want to run the code, I can run it and it will play and render right here in this little viewing window as well. And so you can see that you can create and really do a lot of great things with this sandbox environment. Here's an example of what someone has done. Carol the dog. This is his CodeHS homepage. And this is just one quick example of what's possible at kind of a simple level, but some of the things that a student could do utilizing their sandbox area and creating their own web page, or just creating items and different programs within that sandbox area. If we go back into the sandbox, I now see that new program that we just created right here. I can always go back and edit that. I can delete that out of my queue here. The sandbox, again, it's a great place to really take the skills that you've been learning, put them all together, and create something fun and exciting that you want to as an individual user.